Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and how to fix error 0x5x04E error. This is actually Bloodum error. So how to resolve? So guys, firstly click to start button and type CMD. Okay, and then run as administrator. Right click to run as administrator and then click to yes. Okay, now I am giving you the command you have to enter. Okay, firstly guys, you enter if you are using SSD. So SSD, if you are using SSD, so type you CHK DSK space C column space slash F space slash R again space again slash then X. Now you enter. Okay, then you are asking check the next time to system restart. You have to yes and then enter. Okay, then guys you restart your system. Okay, one more thing, you using SDD, so you type CHK DSK space C column space slash F, then enter. So again type to yes, Y for yes, and then enter. Okay, and do not restart. I have some other solutions. Okay, this is first solutions. Now I am giving you second solutions. It is click to start button and then click to setting, click to Windows update, and guys you have any pending update, like this is pending update. Okay, you have to downloading and install properly. Okay, and then third solutions. Then guys click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator. Right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc slash scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.